Hello, I'm here today with HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'll be showing you how to both enable and disable NFC. First we have to open up our notifications bar. We do that by swiping our finger from the very top to the bottom, like that. Now we have to expand this section right there by simply moving our finger downwards. Now as you can see, there's this little button which says NFC. When you tap on it, NFC will be enabled on your phone, and when you tap it again, then of course NFC will be disabled. So again, move your finger from top to the bottom, expand this section, enable NFC by tapping on it, and tap on it again to disable it. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.